I always forget to record our projects, but we're doing a little trellis to support our passion vine and plant maybe some natives, and this is how it's coming. Just putting some finishing touches, and it's looking pretty nice. So we got a 4x4 post, 2 of them, and then we got probably a 2x4 for the side brackets right here, another 2 2x4s for the top, and then we got like a 2x2 to make these little ones here, and then we put a 2x1, like 2 2x1s on the top. And then we found this lattices, I think that's it, what it's called, and we just framed to make it more finished. But passion vine is going to be happy. We'll put some other native flowering plants, and it's going to make this side of the yard really nice. We made some little mistake. We thought it would support, but we decided to put a little bit of cement just for extra caution, because this is a pretty heavy piece. So try to always do that and not only hold, especially here in Florida with soil. Let me give you a little bit more details about this project, and I'm really sorry that I always forget to record our projects. We have so many projects that we get done here, DIYs that we learn from other people too, and also hopefully you get inspired. But this wasn't a hard one, and it took us about maybe 3 hours. Taking the time of buying things and forgetting things and redoing a couple of things, but it wasn't that hard. And as you can see, it's really simple. We just got the 4x4 post, and we didn't do much to it except dig the hole, which, like I said before, we had to re-dig some of the soil around, and we decided, because it started getting a little bit heavy, and this is Florida and we have hurricanes, so we decided to put some cement. But this is the 8 feet 4x4 piece. We got 2 of them. Dig the hole, and then after that we just got the 2x4 and place it right on the top across. So we screw it in. I think my husband put like maybe 4 screws on the top, 2 screws, not sure. But then after that, you just do what is safe for you, We got the 2x4 here, and we cut it maybe on 25 inches to make, enough space to go out. And we cut it on a 45-degree angle. As you can see, we got 2 of those. And after we did that and screwed it in, we got the other 2x4 on the top, as you can see. And we didn't do much to it either. It's a 8 feet one. We just took a little edge out of here just so it could be a little bit more finished. After we did that, screw everything in, we started doing these. We got 11 of them. You could do as much or as little as you want, but we had some leftover pieces from the other project that we done. In the back, the other pergola arch feature in our backyard. So they were square. We just did a little cutting just to give a little bit more design. And I don't know the size of these. I gotta see, and I'll maybe link or post in the descriptions. Then we got another 1x2, or actually 2 of them, 8 feet 2, just straight across, like one here, and then the other one right there, just to give more support to the passion vine. And after that was all done, all screwed in to make it easier, we went with the pen. We measure where we would put the holes, and drill the holes first, and then put the screws. And then with this one here, same thing, we screw not all the pieces, but most of them. And after all that was done, we got this piece. We screw it to the back. We thought of screwing it to the front, but like this, it would be more finished, because then you have this piece against it instead of like having the piece here and being in like this. So we decided to do it from the back, and then 1x2 across, screwing the back of this trellis to right here. And I don't know why we had to cut this one a little bit. Oh yeah, because it's 8 feet, and then you know you gotta take away 4 inches on each side, or a little bit more than 4 inches too. And this is the finished product. I am sorry I didn't get to record the whole process, but hopefully you could have an idea and being inspired to do your DIY, save some money, make your yard beautiful, and plant more wild plants, wildflowers, edibles, so you can support the environment, and also feed your family if the butterflies let my passion vine, because they keep on eating it, and you know what, we just planted it for them, so it's fine. And again, this piece, it was just a leftover wood that we had from the other project, and it gave it a nice finish. And we have this here just to support while the cement dries, which should be fine soon. Yeah, and we bought cedar because we didn't want any pressure wood being on the soil where we plant our edibles. So there you go. I'll show you the back where that piece came from. That was another project that we did, but that one I actually asked my brother to do because we didn't have the time. The other project. This was another simple project that we did on the same day, well actually the day before. This is actually treated wood that we have, and we're not planting any edibles here, but we got, this was 8 feet tall too, but we cut a little bit because we didn't want it so high. And this is cow fencing, and we're gonna see if we put, and I think I already did right here on the floor, some the native coral honeysuckle that I put right there, took it from the other trellis. Hopefully, you know, it's little, but it will be fine. And we're gonna have it climb up this to get some more hummingbirds and butterflies on the side of the yard, and also give us some more privacy. So this was easy too. We just staple the cow fencing that we had left over from another project on the wood, which is a 4x1. And here's a little another idea of a trellis for your plants. And then towards the front of the house, and this one was another one that we also forgot to record, but this I got inspired by another fellow native gardener in the villages, and we wanted to get the Simpson stopper, which by the way I have another one right there. And sorry, we're doing some projects in our front yard and side yard, but this one, just getting out of the subject a little bit, was a shrub, and I've been training it to become a little tree, and it's just looking gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful, and it's full of flowers, and it's smelling the whole neighborhood. So we decided, like I said, got inspired by another fellow gardener, and we planted another Simpson stopper right here, and I've been training it to become an espalier. So hopefully we'll fill all this area. And this was the other, like I said, the cow fencing that we bought, which is pretty strong. And my husband, that I would not know how to explain, but he works with cars, and he has the welding machine, and he welded a piece that we use leftover metal. He welded a piece to this to go on the wall and give it more support. But then we got a, I don't know the size of this wood, 1x2 I believe, and we framed it I stained it, and now I'm training the Simple stopper to grow on it. So here's another idea of trellises that you can make for your plants. And I am so sorry, I gotta get more accustomed to recording. For now, this is just a hobby for me. As you all know, it's a lot of work to record and edit, and I'm busy with other things, but if I could share little things here and there like I learned from other people, I will, if you want more. And hopefully I'll remember to record some projects, but our next project will be redoing little by little our front yard and making it more friendly. This is what we're working on right now. So I'll keep you guys posted. Again, keep on planting, being inspired. Have a great day.